This is how I fixed discovered currently not indexed error on my search console from 17,000 pages to 3. And I still have 3 pages left, which we are going to optimize. So this is the note down the timing, August 24 and 5:08 p.m. Here, I'm going to step down each and every method that I worked to reduce that much of URLs from being. If you haven't subscribed to it, do subscribe to this channel because there are more technical guides coming on this channel in future. I will cover all the technical things first. A simple method that can fix your problem is going to inspect element. So if I do the inspect element here, as you can see, there is not on Google, and as you can see, there's no referring sitemaps detected. And after that, there is an option that can fix 10% of the time. Just click on request indexing. So if you have requested endless time, then don't do that again. Next is you need to check out the few details in the report. First is this sitemaps. No referring sitemaps detected. Now you need to audit your sitemap. How to audit your sitemap is going to your sitemap URL. It's mostly with this, okay, and see if this particular URL is on your sitemap or not. So let me go to here and search for this URL. There you go. It's on my sitemap. So there's no issue. One more thing you can do is you can check or audit your robots.txt file. Here you need to add your sitemap URLs. Why you need to do that? Because it helps to boost the visibility, because every crawler out there, every bot, for example, even a search, ChatGPT, Claude, every bot it send, it first detect the robots.txt. So it helps the bot how to behave on your website, which page to go, which page to not. Okay, and to here, as you can see, there's no sitemap URLs. It's helped me boost my visibility to 200% after I added it. I deleted that deliberately. Open your FTP, open your robots.txt file, just copy and paste that here, which is sitemap, and here will be your URL. You can also check that in the description where I have input that. If you have a multiple sitemaps, don't worry about it, just add one by line like that, and do click on save, which I haven't. Okay, and after you click on save, wait for a day or two, then most probably it will be fixed. And if it doesn't, second step is to create a HTML sitemap on your website and place that URL somewhere in your page. Why I'm saying this is because Google has this 15 MB thing. You can go and check this particular content out. So this is from the official documentation. Google send a bot on your website, so it has a capping of 15 MB data. If your web page is about, let's say, 10 kbps or 100 kbps, so it will go beyond that and it will start scraping or searching on other URLs as well. So what if we can, HTML sitemap is something which is listed on the front end on your website. So it has the URL, it has the date of post as well. So copy, so you can create that with the help of RackMath. So RackMath has this option to create a HTML sitemap. Go ahead and check that out. It will create a page, and page will look like this. You need to copy this link, add it anywhere. For example, I've added to my, so this boosts my visibility by 300%. So after you have done all of these things, next is internal links. If you're planning to create new content on your website related to the post which you are trying to fix for discovered not currently not indexed, you should start adding the internal link to this. So if you have already done that, for example, there's a blog of free SEO tools, there's a blog of how to tell if someone is chatting. So there are multiple referring pages are there, but Google again choose not to index on its pages. Then it comes down to only one solution left, or maybe two, but I suggest you go with the first: content quality issues. This is the 99% issue. Let's focus on the content quality. So how to optimize my content? First, we need to audit my content. I will be using Perplexity AI. Type this particular prompt. I want to research the keyword. So this will be my blog, whereas keyword which I want to rank. So this will be the heading. Just copy and paste that here, and then analyze my content on there, which link is discovered but currently not indexed, and provide me insights how to improve this content gap as compared to the competitors. So it will list down all the content addition you need to input in your content, what competitor are writing and what you are lacking. Just read that, and if you have find the gap, and then you can ask, suggest what I need to add my content on this website. So grab that piece of content and edit your content and optimize your content, and let me do that. Come back after I've optimized content according to the guideline. And there you go. As you can see, I have written my updated blog here. So there's a few section I have added, which is key takeaways, and there is a prerequisite. A few more things which I've added is troubleshooting common issues, and there is a why you should link GA4 and GSC. Here I just need to click on save, and next if we open that page, as you can see, it's done. Last modified date is August 24 2025. After you have updated your content, request indexing. That's it. Now you can start adding missing internal link opportunities. This particular page is about Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So I need to add more internal links to this blog. Click on all posts and search for the post related to Google Search Console. Only select the published one. So as you can see, it's published ones. Open that in new tab like that. To find if you have actually link this URL to your blog, you can simply go ahead and click on these three options here. Here is a code editor. Select that, and now press Control Command or Control plus F. Search for this URL. So it's already linked. We don't need to touch this particular blog. Click on Live. There's one more about how to add shipping policies in Google Search Console. Do the same. Search for this. So as you can see, there's no link back to this new. So we can do is Visual Editor, wherever that Search Console is written, you can simply add that link. Let's search for the anchor, and there you go. Click on save. Repeat that process 2-3 or more. That will be a great way to do that. If you do that and click on save, and if you see on the sitemap.xml, there will be a URL that has the last modification here. So we have added the internal link to here. What Search Console will do is it will trigger these modified URLs. So it will trigger that new content has been edited or modified on these pages. It will send the Google bot. It will see on all these pages you have that internal link to the page you are optimized. So it will consider that URL to index on its pages. So this is another way to increase the chances to indexation like that. So let me do that. And after that, you have done internal linking. Request that indexing again. Click on the request indexing. It will send the Google bot again. Don't abuse this. It will count only once. Your turn will come. It will see your updated content on your website and see if it's actually worthy of indexing or not. I've already submitted this request. There you go. And going back to the reports there, let me refresh that. There's still 3 affected pages. So let me give it around 48 to 72 hours, but I will be seeing this page frequently on my desktop, and I will provide update after 24 hours. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. I think let's test if our blog is currently indexed or not. Let me reload this page. It still says affected pages, no worries. I will just inspect that URL again, just like that. And now, okay, it says is on Google. So page is indexed, page is served over HTTPS, and there you go. Now, if your page is not indexed yet, it can be 2 scenarios: crawled but not indexed. And if you incur something like that, what you need to do is to create supporting content. For example, let me go to my blog here. Here is a blog about Search Console and Google Analytics 4. So I have 2 niche where I can target this area. I need to create a new supporting content about Google Search Console or Google Analytics and point internal link to this particular page. Create 2 or 3 more content and keep on adding that. Even if you have a missing internal links to other blog URL, do that structure. That will be beneficial, and give it a week. If that doesn't work, then you need to work on your backlinking. I've already done video how to create backlinks. Do check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to cover each and every scenario. And if you have any questions, you have a comment box with you. Do check that out and let me know if you encounter any issues, I will cover that. And a new course about generative engine optimization is coming up. If you don't want to miss that out, do subscribe to the channel. So see you then. Bye bye.